Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was? Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. A handyman showed me how to clean a burnt oven without taking anything apart, and this method seriously surprised me. Cleaning the oven is one of those chores everyone would rather avoid. You might wipe the oven glass inside and out regularly, but the door actually has several panes. The one that gets the dirtiest is the middle pane, and it's the hardest to reach. I'll show you how to clean that middle oven glass using a piece of cardboard without removing it. Gently pry up the top part of the door from the inside and remove the cover. This opens up the space between the panes. Grab a kitchen towel or paper towel and place a piece of stiff cardboard on it. Now, stick a strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of the cardboard and cut it to size. Peel off the backing, then attach the towel so it holds firmly and won't slip while you clean. Flip it over and spray the towel with oven cleaner or glass cleaner. Slide the cardboard between the glass panes in the oven door. Press it gently and move it slowly to lift off grease, grime, and streaks. Wipe up and down first, then side to side to reach every corner. Put the cover back on, and you're done. The glass turns clean, clear, and looks brand new, and the whole oven instantly looks fresher and neater. It's the best way to clean your oven quickly and cheaply, without unscrewing anything. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, Take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Did you know those numbers inside your oven actually have a hidden meaning? Most people see them or don't even notice them, but hardly anyone really knows what they stand for. On both sides of the oven, next to the tray rails, there are numbers. And that's not a coincidence. Level 1 is perfect for pizza and baguettes. The heat is stronger from the bottom there, so the base turns crispy and everything bakes quickly. Level 2 works great for meat and fish. At this height, food stays tender inside without burning on the outside. Level 3 is the best choice for cakes. The temperature is most stable there, so the batter rises evenly. Level 4 is ideal for roasted vegetables. It helps you get a lightly browned, crispy top. Level 5 is great for dishes that you want extra golden and ready in just a moment. Just place them there briefly for a restaurant-style finish. These numbers are basically a guide to where you should place your tray so your food bakes evenly and turns out perfect every time. A simple tip that makes baking so much easier. Now you know what the numbers in your oven mean. This is how easily you can clean a burnt oven. No scrubbing, no effort. Ever since I discovered this trick, I can't imagine cleaning my oven any other way. All you need is one gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-safe dish and pour in about 4 cups of boiling water. Put the dish in the oven, set the temperature to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and close the door. Now just wait 1 hour. The steam from the hot water and tablet spreads through the oven, softening burnt-on grease and food. The active ingredients in the tablet cut through grease, dissolve grime, and clean the surface thoroughly. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the inside with a damp sponge. Even tough burnt residue comes off easily, like it was pulled off with a magnet. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no hassle. Try this trick and watch your oven shine. You'll save time, stress, and money, and the result will truly surprise you. Line your oven with plastic bags. They'll remove all burnt-on grime and grease, often better than expensive chemical cleaners. This simple trick really works and requires no scrubbing or special tools. Start by spraying the entire interior of your oven, bottom, sides, top, and door, with a good oven cleaner. Don't be stingy, as the cleaner is what will break down the grease and baked-on residue. Then take a few plastic bags and press them against every surface. The plastic helps trap moisture and prevents the cleaner from drying out too quickly, giving it more time to work. Dirt and grease literally peel away from the surface. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight for tougher messes. When you remove the plastic, just wipe everything down with a damp cloth. No scraping, no scrubbing, no effort. The grime comes off easily, and your oven will look like new. Finish by drying it off, and that's it. Quick, easy, and super effective. Once you try it, you'll never go back to the old way.